Have you noticed, even when nothing serious is happening, you still feel stressed? Your mind keeps running, thinking about problems that haven't even happened yet. Why does this keep happening? Buddha explained this very simply. There's a story. One day, a man came to Buddha and said, "My life is full of stress. My mind never rests." Buddha asked him, "Are all your problems happening right now, in this moment?" The man paused and said, "No, most of them are in my thoughts." Buddha smiled and said, "Then your stress is not coming from life. It is coming from your mind." He continued, "When your mind lives in the future, it creates worry. When it lives in the past, it creates regret. And when it jumps between both, it creates stress." The man understood. Buddha then said, "Peace is only found in the present moment, but your mind keeps escaping it. That's the truth. You don't feel stressed because life is too hard. You feel stressed because your mind is never here. It is always somewhere else, imagining, worrying, overthinking. But the moment you bring your attention back, right here, right now, something changes. Your thoughts slow down, your body relaxes, and stress begins to fade. So stop trying to control everything in life. You can't. Instead, learn to stay present, because peace is not found in solving every problem. It is found in staying in this moment. If this helped you feel a little lighter, subscribe to Inside of Buddha.